Guys, how's everyone doing today? So right now I'm in my daughter's room and Nabil is laying down on her bed because she's not here, as she will see that. So today we decided to move her desk downstairs, and I already asked her. I don't want her to feel bad, so we're going to move this desk downstairs so Nabil can work down with me. So yeah, and I won't feel lonely if he's downstairs. So guys, we move the table downstairs. Now we're gonna go bring the chair. Okay, so this is the final look and it's looking pretty good. Okay guys, so we came to Walmart to get some stuff, and after Walmart we're gonna go to Nike store to get Nabil's running shoes. Guys, so we are at Nike store right now. Let's see if we can find the shoes for us. Guys, we are in Nike store and Nabil is trying to find the shoes. I've already tried few, but he's trying different ones. He's trying these ones now. So guys, and I really like those shoes. Show me. Okay, so we are done. Now we're gonna buy these. So Nabil got the new shoes and he is going to wear these shoes for the practice today. And we are about to leave for practice. Looking good. Here she look. How many things Nabil got today?
I'm gonna eat all of this without you.
Actually, look, he got 8 things, and he's so happy that I'm gonna eat all by myself, right?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so right now I'm in my garden, and as you can see, this is coriander, dhania. So it's growing, and now the seeds are coming. And here I collected some seeds, and I'm collecting more. And this smells so good, so fresh. So I'm just taking this out. Here, you can see, very good smell. Too good. So guys, I'm preparing for the dinner, and I'm making dal makhani for the dinner today. It's been a very busy day today. After Arshi left, we were bored and sad, but today was like kind of fine, and we did some things. We went out and we did some grocery, and then we went to buy Nabil shoes, and then I dropped him for practice, and I just took him, and now I'm making the dinner. For lunch I made fried chicken, and I will share the recipe with you guys. It's super easy and quick, so you should definitely try that. So here Nabil is teaching online classes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Let me go get the mouse out.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to make fried chicken, and for that here I have chicken, of course, and let's see the ingredients what I'm going to add. Here I have black pepper powder, coriander powder, chili powder, little bit of garam masala powder, salt, and little bit of meat tenderizer. So I'm going to add all those spices. Ginger garlic paste, tablespoon of yogurt, and just mixed all the ingredients together, and then I'm going to leave this marinated at least for 2 hours. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. So after adding all the spices and everything, mix it well, and then leave this at least for 2 hours, so all the spices chicken will absorb all the spices, and after that we will move to our next step. So guys, this is our next step. Here I have all-purpose flour, yani ki maida, and now I'm going to add some spices in this. Here I have garlic powder, ginger powder, little bit of white pepper powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder, and salt. So I'm adding all these, and just mix it well. And I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So let's move to the next step. So guys, this is the next step. Here I have very chilled water, and I added ice cubes in there. So let's start making the chicken. So here I have chicken piece, just dipped into the flour. Just press it like this. And next what we're going to do, we are going to dip this into this cold water for few seconds. Then take it out and dip into the flour again. Just squeeze it a little bit so that this flour can stick on the chicken. Very nice. And I'm going to dip this again. And then same thing again. So that's how we will do with all the chicken pieces. So guys, chicken coating is done. So now let's start frying. So guys, here I have oil in the pan and I already turned on the stove and it's on medium high. So now let's start frying. So let it fry for at least 3 to 4 minutes each side. So we will check in the middle too. So guys, it's been 5 minutes and I'm going to check. So it looks like we're done from inside. Now we are going to turn upside down. And we'll give another 5 minutes or so. So guys, chicken is looking good and I'm going to take the pieces out. Total it took 10 minutes to fry this. So guys, the fried chicken is ready, looking so yummy. So you guys can serve with anything, ketchup, any kind of hot sauce or mayo and garlic sauce. So it's up to you guys, and you guys should definitely try this. It's really crispy and juicy, and try it and let me know how it turned out for you guys.